Oh my god, what's that shit? What time?
What?
Do you want to say something? Okay, what do you want to say? I don't know. What are we doing?
We are now in the Dart Islands for her birthday, which is today.
Yes. You were taking the walk.
That's it.
The weather's really nice.
Oh, Raida. It's Raida's birthday today, so that's why we're in the Dart Islands.
Follow me on Twitter, guys. I'm half as funny as you.
At Raida Sham.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No, this is really shallow.
Just stand up
And for support.
and love.
Ew.
Very scary.
Should I get out of the...
Woo! I am close.
G, do you have anything you want to say?
Hi.
Fall.
No thank you.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to my backyard.
Hello. 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 This is my name is Zira's vlog. I'm currently vlogging. This is Veda. I don't know if you guys can see.
This is my backyard.
Yes. This is Bassam.
Fashion Vogue.
I like rocks.
Yes, Raida.
Yes.
Birthday girl. Fashion. Fashion.
You said fash, I thought it was fashion.
Like fascia? Fasciitis, guys. We're like super cool. This is Ali. Wait. Okay, bye. Oh, that actually worked. I was gonna give you an introduction. He is the best rock skipper in the whole world.
Look at him fail.
Oh! Sorry, Ali.
I get camera shy.
Yes, camera shy. Nice.
Potential. This one has serious potential.
Show us the rock, Ali. Let's see it.
Serious potential.
Nice. There are the waves. This is the waves. Oh yeah.
Okay, madam.
This is the rock.
Yes. And what are you attempting to do?
I'm going to skip this rock.
Shit, is that a crab that's dead? Or is it trapped? I can't tell. You see that, right?
I think it's dead. There was a dead crab.
I got assaulted by a zombie crab.
Gotta get the view.
Clickbait. Go, madam.
Alright. Oh yeah, no. I'm gonna do it this way.
You got that on video, right?
That was good.
got that
That
on
was
video, right?
good.
You got that one on video, did you?
No.
Oh, this is it.
Okay.
This is it.
Alright.
This is it. I give myself ayn. Proper ayn.
Give yourself ayn.
Inshallah, this is it. No. It had so much more potential.
It was like
Keep it rolling. Ready?
I could do this if this was not being filmed.
Also, where's the crab, guys? For the video. So where's the video?
Guys, try
Oh,
this.
there it is.
Hi everyone. Today we learned that in Urdu, bakara means goats, not cow.
In Arabic, it's still...
In Arabic, it's still cow. Linguistic fun.
I can imagine the cringy YouTube video on top, like the music. The
Nice. Again,
I
very
can do that.
impressed.
I can do that one.
Very impressed.
So sorry.
It's all take easily.
Welcome to Wudu classes 101 with Sheikh Veda and Ali. Teach him how to join
Bro,
Islam.
she isn't even wearing her hijab properly. I've got a beard.
No,
Who's
Samah.
more religiously correct?
What are all these hands that are showing and your knees? No, Samah.
Knees.
You can't see my neck.
I can't.
First of all, wear a life jacket just in case. This one obviously is
case it
inexperienced.
This happens, you know? In case you have somebody else that
Yeah.
Then you need some clean water, as you can see.
and then you get the rocks.
And this.
With the rocks. Do you want to demonstrate?
And you wanna. This is an actual rock. It's sad to be scrub a little bit.
Nice.
Rub off a minute, man.
Nice.
You clean it off. Do you see that?
So you get the tayammum in, and then the wudu.
See, that technique-
tayammum and wudu.
Yes. Hacks. You heard it here first.
We're trying to use this to wash everything.
Yum.
This is all pure.
It's pure.
Something alive in there.
Oh, if you can see closely.
Yeah.
Closely.
Yes. Oh,
Thanks, Veda.
Use the cameraman. Use the...
You can kind of see.
Oh damn! Oh, this is your allergic. This is your allergic thing, right?
Everyone should try jet skiing if you have to. It's fun and slightly dangerous, but fun.
I like my friends.
Don't tell them. Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, this is a video.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about a new book I read. It's called, please excuse me, it's called the Webster's Dictionary for Beginners. I read letters A through A. I learned many words like armadillo and arsenal and Alabama. Okay, thanks guys. Don't forget to like and comment and to subscribe.
Share this video if you liked it.
Share it to your friends if you liked it on Facebook and MySpace. Okay, thank you.
Neda has an exam, so she is currently studying. Neda, teach us about DKA.
There's a criteria. Okay, we need to be able to differentiate DKA and HHS. So the difference is, so the glucose is more than 13 millimoles. The ketones should be present.
خلاص.
It's not for
Thanks.
safety.
Got that on camera. So I'm just explaining to you guys the art of skying. Okay, what's skying? It's the correct pronunciation.
Yeah, correct.
It's the correct pronunciation of the word science.
I think it's scientific.
We're scientific.
We're scientific.
Neda, come, you're scientific, right?
I did a scientific.
You're scientific. Are you ready for your skank exam?
Yeah. Master of Skank.
Sure, Master Skank.
I'm gonna graduate as a skank.
The skank. That sounds like skank.
No, skank's professional.
Oh.
No.
Ali, are you talented?
No.
Oh my god. Guys, he's talented.
You see it, right?
Yeah, I see it. Yes, crab.
Give me Krabby Patty cakes. Krabby cakes.
Krabby patties?
Krabby Patties.
Krabby patties. 3 years later. Neda, how's studying going?
I'm studying Coma now.
I wonder what happened next.
There you go.
And Neda!
No, you have to selfie it to yourself.
No, I don't know if I can.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
How violent do you want?
Yeah!
I didn't hear it.
Answer what? Who do you think is the funniest out of all of us here? Clearly it's me.
For that, I see.
Oh yeah, I wasn't gonna choose myself.
Yeah, that's the
Okay, including myself in the options, I think Bassam is the funniest.
Hey. So who's
I
better?
actually do.
Who's actually better?
I actually do Bassam. You're actually hilarious.
No, I get you.
What should I ask? It's like, who would you like to...
Who would you go on a date with?
Who here would you don't mind spending a full day?
No, don't mind. Who would you specifically choose out of all of us here to spend the full... And it doesn't have to be someone you know. Like, it could be someone you don't know well that you want to know more. Or it could be someone that you already know really well.
Within us, right?
No, specifically. And it could be someone that you already know very well, but you want to... Like, you think it would be fun to have a whole day with them.
I think I would do it with Mohsen. I think I know him the least. I've been getting to know him more, so it would be a nice full day. And he would make me laugh.
Aww.
Who here has the best personality?
Oof. 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 Okay, no, don't say that. Say who has your favorite personality.
Who has your favorite? I mean, favorite is best for her.
Don't say best, because then it's like
It's personal.
objective.
Personally best, or like your favorite personality, or like best.
Yeah, that. By the way, that's asking for everything. That's like, who do you want to spend the day with? Who's the funniest? It's like everything.
You want to be...
The perfect leader.
Choose a specific trait. Choose a specific trait.
No, she doesn't want it to be changed.
I think it's a good
Do you? If you don't have an answer,
very good question.
if you don't have an ansser, we should change it.
Try not to don't be afraid to put everyone down and just choose one. Myself included, but also I'd hate you if you don't choose me.
Ghaida, there's like one right answer. There's like one right answer.
Ma'am, you shush.
Jesus Christ.
No,
Jesus Christ has the best friend.
Yes.
And he's all with us, right?
And he's everywhere.
Favorite person.
Favorite person is.
That's like intense.
Who do you value more?
Shall we come back
Who
to
do-
Value the
most? Oh, motherfucker. Yay!
Personality traits together. You share the most.
Who's your favorite combination? Or we could change the question because that's pretty difficult.
Oh, yeah, I feel like that question that you just said is like it's a mishwar question.
Oh,
So, what do you
who's
like
your
best about another?
answer?
What do you like best
It's
about
not my
Muslim?
question.
What does not matter?
Ah.
Who out of here you think is the last to get married?
Ooh.
First is not
They're
saucy.
actually pretty good at this one.
It means like this person is
As in last.
especially in a
Sounds like you're married like tomorrow.
Maryam
Ooh.
or
Ooh.
and I have reasons. It would either be Maryam or Malvika. And
I was gonna say
because they would
Malvika.
both be picky. They would be like,
That's a good thing.
no, yeah, they would
You
be
have
like,
standards.
they would have very, very high standards.
No one else has standards.
We on the other
Until
hand, don't.
eventually someone pops along and they're like, oh, cool, and they'll get married. You said you had an answer.
Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Best personality.
You know when you were like, oh, I'll be right back, right?
But she's speaking, she's answering.
Because his ego's gonna inflate so high.
Oh! It's best thumb! Yalla.
I know.
Yalla, yalla, yalla.
said the best combination.
No, I'm not answering.
لازم.
Hello, you asked this question first. Now you
I know, but I didn't think. I said no hard feelings.
Yeah, no hard feelings.
No hard feelings. Just be extra today, it's fine.
I love you. It's your birthday.
Oh!
Assume, right? Oh, it's definitely
Ah! Best thumb. He's just on his phone. And so concluded the night of merriment and enjoyment. Another year celebrating the beauty and the birth of Ghaida al-Shami. Ghaida, I like you a little bit. I hope this wonderful day was just a setup for an even better year. What else? Hope I'm in it. Cheers. Bye.